Hey you all, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an unpack with me. So I went away over the weekend and I wanted to show you all what I took with me. Of course, I packed everything in my Kusshi bag. And so let's go ahead and open it and see what we got here. So I don't go anywhere without my Sonia G travel set. I will show that to you all in detail later. Of course, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Spray. We have the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Duo. Then I have here my NARS Laguna Ultimate Face Palette 2. And it has two bronzers here, a highlighter, and then eyeshadows. Perfect for travel. I have my Sarah Creel. This is a sunscreen. It's the Brilliant Repair Shield SPF 50 Illuminating Serum. This is a recent release. It's a really nice sunscreen. I have my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. My Amicole Lip Treatment Oil. This is the shade Happy, the newly released one. My Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer, shade number 13. I have my Sweed Beauty Mascara. This is the Pro Lash Lift Mascara in black. I also have their eyeliner in Diana Blue. My 54 Thrones Butter. My Elemis Cleansing Balm. If you know me, you know that I am an Elemis fan, and this is the Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. It's fragrance free, and this is, of course, the travel size. Then we also have shade 14 of the Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer. My Lisa Eldridge Lip Pencil. It's the Sculpt and Shade in the shade, I believe this is 3N. Yes, this is 3N. My Kitco Brow Groom Brush. It's called the My Groom and Fill. I love this brush. It's dual-ended. Does the brows very nicely. Then I have a travel size of the Le Volume de Chanel Mascara. My decant of my perfume. This, if I remember correctly, I think this is the, I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember the name of the perfume right now, but I'll put it on the screen for you all. And then a tube of toothpaste. Of course, there were toothbrushes in here as well. Let's see. I also have in here my Valentino Lippy. It's the new Spiked Lippy, and this is in the shade Better, Crying in a Limo. I love this shade. It's a beautiful nude. And last but not least, I think I have two things in here. Oh yes, my Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil in the travel size, as well as a compact mirror as well. So and my Kusshi bag. So now you all can see it empty and how wide it opens. I love this bag. I'll put a discount code up for you all as well. And then last but not least, let's show you what's in the Sonia G brush holder. I have the full mini Kiyaki set, the mini Niji Pro, and the mini Buffer Pro here. So that's all that I have. That's what I take with me when I go away, and I hope you all enjoyed. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like and share, and comment below. Everything has been linked for you below in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a great night.